Welcome back to Alternative Authority Content. And in conclusion, some final thoughts. Creating authority content does not mean you have to be writing a blog. And of course, that was what this course was really all about showing you. You can also just strictly stick to audio and video, and you don't necessarily have to be tied to a website except to hold the content that you have. The most important thing to do is to create a system for collecting contact information, as well as to be consistent with your subscribers or your listeners. The more you treat your content as an appointment, the more that your attendees and guests will. They will make sure that they are there on time and that they will not miss something that you're doing. Going hand in hand with this thought is that you would be consistent. If you're supposed to do a show on Mondays, make sure you have one every Monday. Don't miss any days. Even if you have to get someone else to do your show, even if you have to get a substitute guest, make sure that there's a show every Monday if that's when you decide you're going to do one. And again, having a website is optional, but it is the only way for you to own your content and to have a place, home base, to collect names and email addresses. Collecting names and email addresses is the key to being able to turn those subscribers, those listeners, those viewers into prospects and buyers. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video, or I will see you in another course.